Good morning, children. I am Anthony, your science teacher. Children, today we are going to discuss about safety and first aid. What is safety? Being safe without any accidents, without any dangers is known as safety. We have to be safe in our home atmosphere as well as first aid. What is meant by first aid? First aid means the care to be taken when an accident takes place before going to the doctor. This is what we call it first aid. First aid means first help we take before going to the doctor, to a patient, whoever it is. Accidents happen if we are not careful. However, sometimes one gets hurt in spite of being careful. To avoid accidents and to keep ourselves safe, we need to follow some safety rules which have been discussed in this lesson. Okay, children, now safety at home. What are the points to be followed at home without being affected by these kind of accidents? Now, avoid wearing synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or while bursting crackers. Synthetic clothes catch fire easily. So here Diwali we celebrated. While we are celebrating Diwali, we should not wear silk cloths or polyester cloths. Why? Because they easily catches fire. So care should be taken while we are celebrating the festivals like this. When we fire the crackers, we should be very much careful without coming to our eyes, as well as that whatever fire should not fall onto our body. I think children, all of you very much taken care while you are celebrating Diwali. Now walk carefully over wet and slippery floors. Keep the floors dry. So whenever in the house we clean the floor is wet. At that moment we have to walk very carefully, otherwise we may slip and it may hurt our body. That is why we should be very much careful. Do not run up and down the stairs in the hurry. You can slip and fall. So while you are getting up on the footsteps, as well as when you are coming down, you should be very careful while you are coming up and as well as coming down as well as going up. Okay, children. So if there is a gas leak, turn off the gas regulator. Suppose if you smell some gas is leaking in the kitchen, then you should not switch on any electrical switches. Just go and stop the regulator and open the doors. Then only you have to operate any electrical appliances. Children, remember this thing. You should not, when gas is leak in the kitchen, you should not operate any electrical appliances that may ignite a spark which can ignite all the gas whatever already leaked out in the kitchen, and that sometimes it may explode also. That's why you should very careful while you are operating these kind of things. Okay, children. Now do not use too many gadgets in one socket. It might cause a short circuit leading to fire. So electrical gadgets, to the switchboard we keep many gadgets just to recharge the mobile or some other plugs, whatever you use. You should not use many gadgets to a switchboard. That also causes and leading to a fire. Next, never throw a burning matchstick randomly, especially on papers or clothes. It can cause a fire. So when you are put off some matchstick and should not throw into the dustbin. Even the elders, those who are having the habit of smoking, they should not throw the burning cigarette in the dustbin. That ignites and vigorously it have the flame, then it causes so much of fire. So this next leads to the fire accident. You should take care in such kind of aspects, children. If there is a gas leak in the kitchen, what we have to do, let us see once. If there is a gas leak in the kitchen, you get to know about it through the peculiar smell of gas that spreads everywhere in the house. In such situation, what we have to do, see, if gas leaks takes place in the kitchen, then how can we know that some gas is leaking in the kitchen? We get certain smell that gas gives us. So when we smell like that, we have to take care. Turn off the gas regulator first of all. Turn off the gas regulator. Suppose sometimes when you go out for a movie or something like that, to a travel, when you come back, if gas is leaked out already, you should not operate any electrical appliances. Directly go to the kitchen without even glowing of the bulb, without switch on the bulb. You have to directly go to the regulator. First to stop the regulator, then open all the windows and doors. Whatever gas inside the kitchen will be drive out by the natural wind, whatever comes. So after some time, after 1 hour or 2 hours, then you can operate the electrical switches. Do not operate any electrical switches, it may cause an explosion sometimes. Explosion, very dangerous. Even the walls of the rooms also breaks off. Do not light a matchstick near a leaking cylinder. When suppose the cylinder is in the darkness in the kitchen, you want to see something where the cylinder and its regulator, you want to see that. That's why suppose if you ignite any matchstick near it, that also causes explosion. That is why you should not do such kind of things. Mostly elders have to do these kind of careful things. Okay, children. Suppose if there is a fire can be caused due to many reasons, such as electrical faults, accidents while cooking, or due to gas leakage. Carelessness while handling firecrackers, matchsticks, candles, etc. may also cause fire. How the fire accident takes place? Many reasons are there. When you throw some matchstick, that may cause a fire accident. When you throw somebody throw the burning cigarette on the thatched houses, that also cause fire accidents. Sometimes firecrackers also causes fire accidents. In all these cases, we have to take very much care while we are using the things those are related with the fire. Okay, children. So with this discussion, I conclude for today's class. Your homework is you have to write any safety measures that we can take at home atmosphere. How many you have to write? Just you write 5 safety principles that we can take at home. Okay, children. Thank you.